Hello sir, welcome to Conclave2023. Sir, my very first question to you is like, how do you see the role of general counsel and like the efficient decision making and the whole overall their flow development?
So, role of the GCs have enhanced in last couple of years, and especially if you see last 5 to 7 years, the role of a general counsel has increased. It is no more legal. It is encompassing the entire arena of legal, compliance, ethics, whistleblowing, policy making, data privacy. So you see, they are occupying a very, very important place in an organization, touching upon many areas which nobody else can do it. So overall, you see, the role of a general counsel has really stabilized, it has grown, and in next couple of years, I see the role of a general counsel increasing, especially in the three major areas. One is cyber security, second is regulatory compliances, and the third is data privacy. These are the three areas where you will see that the role of general counsels for any organization, it is going to be a very, very significant contribution in these three areas.
So if I talk about the major trends that the CM has written, what is the major trends as per you?
What are the major
Trends that our legal sector has witnessed?
See, technology is changing, and technology has been a major contributor. You talk about smart cities, you talk about DG Yatra, you talk about the way logistics has changed, you talk about some of the technologies in terms of the digital payment. 40% of the world's digital payment is happening in India. So technology is changing the way India is shaping up. It is leading to a quality standard of living for the people, right? Technology is going to also pose its own challenges. And those challenges could be in terms of cyber securities, those challenges could be in terms of regulatory compliances, which will be stringent. There will be some serious regulators coming up. We are talking about the data privacy laws here, right? So technology on one hand is going to ease the conditions of living of the people. At the same time, it will pose its own challenges. And as general counsels and as organizations, we should be very, very concerned about the challenges that it will pose. And as general counsel, we should be prepared to mitigate those risks and deal with those challenges.
So you just mentioned the changing of technology and dominance of technology. So do you think in the coming years that every sector has this fear? So do you think that AI will be able to replace the lawyers in the legal industry?
So as I always say, technology will not substitute human intelligence. Human intelligence will always be at the top, and technology will be a good trusted partner for a good lawyer. So how you use the technology is more important rather than coming into the debate whether technology will supersede a lawyer. Technology is going to take away a couple of areas which are very, very standard areas, but at the same time, it also opens up the newer areas for the lawyers. So one has to take technology as a good partner, right? Rather than somebody who is taking away your role and jobs and responsibilities. Technology is going to remain there. The world is seeing a massive change in terms of digital, in terms of technology. India cannot remain away from that. That's a fact. But lawyers and human brains and human intelligence will always remain there. We just saw what happened to ChatGPT, right? There were a couple of orders from Indian courts. There were a couple of orders from US courts which said that ChatGPT cannot be used as a replacement of a lawyer's skill in terms of drafting of a contract, right? So technology will remain, but human intelligence will always be at the top of it.